Today on SETC, I'm going to show you how we transformed our My Little Pony Equestria Girl Minis Twilight Sparkle figure from this into this! Yes, that's right, we have made Indigo Zap from the rival Shadow Bolts team. So we're going to show you how we made her and what we used right now. So first up, we're going to need to use an Equestria Girl Twilight Sparkle minifigure's body, so we'll just remove her head from the body like so. We'll be painting up the body, so we'll need to remove the skirt. And we're also going to need to use an Equestria Girl Mini's Rainbow Dash's head as well for this custom. We're also going to need to trim Rainbow Dash's hair to match that of Indigo Zap as well. So to make this custom, we'll be using these paints and this modelling clay. So now we have everything ready, it's time to go ahead and start making our custom Indigo Zap. So we've already gone ahead and trimmed our Rainbow Dash's hair. I would recommend getting an adult to do this part for you. With our moulding clay, we're going to mould a new section of hair for our Indigo Zap figure. After making the new hairpiece for Indigo Zap, I decided to remove the front section of Rainbow Dash's hair. I've replaced this with a new hair section I've made out of moulding clay, and I've also made Indigo Zap's goggles as well. So we're going to start off by painting our figure with white undercoat. The face design was painted off of camera due to the detailing on the eyes. This was painted for us by Mrs. SETC. We'll now start painting in the finishing touches for Indigo Zap's goggles. And now we have the head section for our Indigo Zap custom finished, and I'm really happy with how she looks already. We painted Indigo Zap's skirt the same way as we did with our original Sour Sweet custom. A link will be in the description below to that video so you can see how we did it. Sour Sweet's wristbands are just two other wristbands from another Equestria Girl Minis figure painted purple. And there we go, our very own My Little Pony Equestria Girl Minis Indigo Zap figure. Let us know in the comments below what you think of Indigo Zap, and also what custom figure you would like to see next on our channel. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Thanks again for watching SETC, and we'll see you next time!